London's point blank music school studio sessions.
Hello and welcome back to Point Blank Studio Sessions. My name's Henry.
And I'm Sadis. And this is where we bring you some of the hottest artists from across Point Blank Music School. Today, we have singer-songwriter, rapper and producer, Gabz the Great.
Be free from your chains, free from your unending mental games. I break these chains, I set myself free. Wanna dive deep into the sea, as deep as I can breathe. Wanna go deep, let me go deep. No water, no wind, no fire can stop me. I gotta be free, I gotta be me, yeah. I no longer accept your plans for my destiny. I choose me, I choose me. Like a bird that surfs across the wind, wanna feel air beneath my wings, go as far as eyes can see. Set me free like the moon amongst the stars, bringing light into the dawn. Let me reach my peace. Set me free, set me free, set me free, set me free. When I close my eyes, all I see is your smile, a reminder you're no longer there for me. It was all a test, and I failed at best. Didn't keep your heart, it was all my fault. I let you down, I'm paying for it now. So busy, please find your way to me. Every dream of you's a vision I can't keep, like a distant memory. I'm trapped in my own dream. Set me free, I crave for your embrace. No longer something I can taste. Let me find my peace. Set me free, set me free, set me free, set me free, set me free.
Hello and welcome back to Point Blank Studio Sessions. We have got Gabz the Great with us. He's just moistened his lips and we're ready to go. What's your top lip balm that you use straight in there?
It has to be Vaseline.
Wait, which one?
Classic?
Or the cocoa butter?
Either cocoa butter or classic. Okay. Nothing. Aloe vera's alright.
You can eat the strawberry one.
Can you?
Yeah, straight out the jar. That wasn't a planned question. We should get to what we were actually gonna.
Now it's got me conscious about my lips. I can feel my lips drying as this session goes on. It's all right. Go on. We're gonna make it through.
You're a pro.
We're gonna
we'll
make
get
it
through
this. Gabriel, I keep getting your name wrong, but it's Gabz the Great. I'm not gonna call out your full government anymore.
I do answer to the government as well. That's my name.
You took a break from music for about 4.5 years. You was a youth worker.
I was.
and you've recently turned back to music. What was that one thing? What was that point where you were like, "That's it, I'm done. I'm done with these kids, and it's all about the music now"? What was that point for you?
I say I took a break. I've always been involved in music anyway. Even in my break, I was involved in music. I used to work in youth offending, and I used to run a studio inside the prison. And
wow.
it was a good opportunity for me to focus on myself when I decided to come to Point Blank. And I'd also been to Point Blank when I was 15 at school. I remember doing a short production course, an NVQ level 2, something like that. And I sort of just decided that it was time for me to showcase my talent, my skills, also develop as well. It's most important that I'm developing myself every day. And there's a lot of things that I didn't know now based on how times have changed and music's evolved and stuff. So I really just wanted to sort of modernize and develop.
You're like a Point Blank veteran.
Yeah.
Been in for ages.
No, just no,
And
not yet.
you do producing as well.
I do.
What artist is it what's your like dream collaboration?
It's a good question. Dream collaboration, I mean, if you said to me that I could work with one artist, it would be Drake. Because Drake, like me, can do everything.
Bold.
So it'd be really easy to just say, "Hey Drake, you do the chorus and I'll do the rapping," or vice versa. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
Just casual.
Yeah,
Get on the keys.
Drake, you sing this bit, I'll rap
Yeah.
a bit. You know, and just,
What would you do to get that break to Drake? What's the what lengths would you go through to get that beat to him?
got beats of Drake already. Literally, no.
What?
No, I mean, that's
You
how
got
we
beats
work.
to Drake
Oh
already?
yeah. No.
about
Imagine
to
that.
say, oh,
Imagine
wow.
that.
That would
I've
be
got beats for Drake.
Oh, you got them ready for
Yeah,
it.
What's
so
what lengths would you go through?
Would you
To
sit on
get-
his doorstep and wait?
I would swarm him at the airport.
Swarm.
I would run on stage at a show.
Oh wow,
Wow,
Drake,
yeah.
watch out! Higher security.
No, of course, anything to get something like that to Drake.
Yeah.
You know, one of the biggest artists in the world, if not
Yeah.
the biggest.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
You know, so.
Fair to say.
And you were born in London,
Yes.
but you were raised Essex way?
Yeah. So I was born in London, moved to Essex when I was 12.
Yeah.
Lived in Essex ever since. I'm kind of older than I look now. But
And then you commute in from
Every day.
Essex.
yeah,
What is it what's like the big, when you come into London, what is it that makes you think like, oh, I'm back in London, or oh yes, London, or London?
I've always been
It's a
involved
lot
in
of
London.
emotions.
Yeah.
Everything I do is in London. Family are here, church is here, friends are here, school is now here as well. So London, it's not like I moved to Essex and forgot about everything about London. It was just a case of moved to Essex because the money stretches further, of course.
Yeah.
And kind of middle class now, if I do say so myself. You know. So no.
You own a house, don't you?
I own a house with my
so
brother.
I got one fact right. I actually thought you had kids.
Me and- Imagine that
We
conversation.
had loads of questions about
Yeah.
kids' TV programs,
Yeah.
but
I would have gone along with it. We can do
what's
it
your
now.
favourite?
Phineas. That
Phineas
one.
and Ferb?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
that
that's
kids?
a
Is that
good
for kids?
It must be.
I'll
'cause I
still
don't
watch
know
it, so you're fine. We've got some quick fire questions
Yes,
to
we
finish
do.
off on as
Cool.
well.
Yeah, we're gonna jump straight into it. Fire round. You ready?
I am.
All right. Is a hot dog a sandwich?
No.
No. Why not? It's two pieces of bread. It's folded over, like any other sandwich.
It's a singular sausage, though, isn't it? I think if there were several sausages, it would
Okay.
be a sandwich.
All right. Next
Fine.
one.
Next one.
Next
You
one.
put your socks on before your pants, or your pants on before your socks. And when I say pants, I mean underwear, not trousers.
I had the same
Because
expression.
we had a debate before, and someone thought I meant trousers, but pants are pants. Your undies,
Your boxes.
your briefs.
Boxes.
Boxes
first,
first.
then socks. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, fair enough.
you don't want to be looking that straight up, do you? When you're putting your socks on, trust me.
Only some of
So
us have
these-
those problems. Cereal, hot or cold?
Cold.
Yeah.
Cold. I'm lazy. Always in a rush when it comes to cereal.
I don't know. Only you have your cereal hot.
Nobody has hot milk on their Weetabix.
Weetabix
Nobody's
is
with me.
different. Weetabix
But
gets
Weetabix
the
is a
hot
cereal.
treatment. Of course, it gets the
And
hot
what about
treatment.
your cornflakes?
Nah, Cocoa Pops,
No.
cornflakes,
You
Willy
lot are rubbish.
Frosties, all
That's
of that.
fine,
Cold
I'll
milk,
stand
boom,
alone.
straight in.
Oh, this is
fine.
a big one for you. Would you rather headline Glastonbury or have a #1 album? You can't have both. I'm sure you will have both, but which would you rather?
Oh, #1 album.
Mm.
Because Do I get to answer
Yes,
why?
please
Yeah.
do. Elaborate. Elaborate.
Number one album because I'd love to perform it everywhere rather than just one Glastonbury and wait 12
I was
months.
going to say, it lasts longer, doesn't it?
Of course it does.
You have one classic album. That's your career set.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There
Wicked.
we go.
Thank you very much. Gabz the Great.
You got it.
And that was another PB live session. We've got our next one coming up soon. So keep
Before
it
we
locked.
go.
Oh, yeah, wait. He's got a plug.
I've
Rewind.
got a plug. Thanks for the cut.
Actually, Michael, let me set it up for you.
Okay, cool.
So, Gabz the Great, what do you have coming up next?
I'm working on a single. The single's going to be out very, very soon. So follow me on social media at Gabz the Great. That's Gabz with a Z, The Great. And
What's it called?
it's called Bittersweet.
Who produced it?
I co-produced it.
Co-produced it alongside anybody you'd like to mention?
Sunset.
Drake. No, sorry.
Yeah. Co-producer, a friend of mine, Sunset Driver.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the date? If you're going to plug, then plug. Or is it a
Just
secret?
look out for it.
Okay.
Early
Stay
Feb.
locked.
Early Feb. It's going to be out.
Okay, cool. Well, that was another PB session. That was Gabz the Great. I'm Sadice.
I'm Henry.
And we'll see you next time. London's Point Blank Music School Studio Sessions.